There's a chicken killer in here. You see the little bitty feathers around here? Baby chicken killer in here. This hen and her babies, we used to call 4+1 because it was 4 white ones and 1 black one. And last night we heard it. One of them fell into the pond, just like this mama's doing. She's heading up to a roosting spot.
So we're turtle hunting. There he is. Is it a snapping turtle? Oh, it's big. Wow. It is a snapping turtle. Did you eat our chicken last night? Hello. Alabama snapping turtle. Wow. Amazing. What are you going to do with him? Okay. Oh my gosh, how many chickens do you think this one ate? No. Oh my gosh, I've never seen such a fat turtle in my life. Oh my gosh. Hey fella, what have you been eating? Not your kittens. I don't think, not really. I don't think it's big enough to eat your kittens, Mittens. I don't think it's big enough. I don't think that is big enough. I'm not going to point at it because if it's a snapping turtle, it will try to bite. Let me swim in. I'm not going out.
It ain't trying to bite nothing.
It's not trying to bite anything? Is it a cutie pie or is it a bad pie?
Here, let's put him in this.
It looks kind of cute, but... Rainwater?
Yes.
Oh, you hold him by the tail. Okay, and so you give him a stone so it doesn't drown? Wow.
Reach to the bottom.
So what did we just do? We rescued a turtle. So now what do we do?
Yeah. I guess to release him at the lake or something.
Wow.
Baby chicken killer. Ready? Okay, we found our chicken killer. I'm really surprised. This is a small guy, but he's super fat and super healthy. I'm gonna go release him at the lake, even though he's eaten probably 4 or 5 of my baby chickens from him falling in the water. I'm gonna still release him because he's just doing his job out there. Alright guys, I love you, and I'll catch you on the next video.